Hi everyone, myself Harihara Sudhar, the Hefin project's leader and the founder, which was submitted on WCHR 2025 in Dora Hacks. We're going to see the Hefin's projects, which tech, and what are the improvements and the enhancements of this project. First, the Hefin, the project of that is related to the healthcare and finance. The Hefin platform, a comprehensive due to intelligence report, a decentralized AI utility for healthcare and finance powered by the Internet Computer Protocol. So, by this, you can access by only by the users. That the users ensures that their data by the healthcare and finance using the ICP. Next, what are the table of contents in the slides? Executive summary and our team's vision and problem statement of healthcare and problem statement for finance and Heffin's solution overview and technical architecture, healthcare applications and financial applications. And what are the differences between Heffin and other traditional models and market opportunity and business model and Heffin token economics and competitive analysis. And we are going to see the last and by roadmap and future outlook. First, the executive summary of the Heffin. Heffin is a portion to initiate a fundamental paradigm shift in the application of artificial intelligence by addressing core challenges of data privacy, trust, and cost in existing centralized models. First, the privacy first architecture. It ensures that on-chain communications with compromising privacy or regulatory compliance. Next, the decentralized foundation. It is built on a ICP with unique reverse gas model and low transaction cost. Collaborative intelligence. It leverages federated learning and secure multi-party computation for collaborative model training. Market opportunity. It addresses the critical pain points in multi-trillion dollar healthcare and finance industries. Next, we are going to see the vision and founding team of the Hefin. Hefin aims to initiate a new era of decentralized AI where data privacy, trust, and cost issues are systematically eliminated through a foundational infrastructure layer. Decentralized foundation. A shift from a centralized AI models to open, trust minimized infrastructure. Privacy by design. It enabling it is enabling a secure training and deployment on sensitive data without authority. Open utility, creating a public infrastructure for multiple AI services. Meet the founder. Meet our teams. We are the third year BTech students specializing in intelligence and data science at VSP College of Engineering Technical Campus, Coimbatore. First, our data architect, Sendur Kangaraj. He integrates the data and provides the data security. And next, myself, Harihara Sudan Venkatesh. I was the backend developer who was working on the backend front of this project. And next, the Kausigan Srinivasan. He was the user interface and user uh, UX developer of this Hefin project. And next, Kavin Siddharth Swaminathan. He is the backbone of our team, and he is the front-end developer of this Hefin project. Next, our Kannan Ravikumar. With his excellence in the product development and his executions in the project creates a well-forming industry experience. Next, what are the data silo paradox in healthcare? Healthcare possesses a vast, valuable data, yet fragmentation across systems creates a paradox, data rich but insight poor. Legal barriers and privacy concerns prevent the collaborative innovation needed for a breakthrough. First, the fragmented data sources, EHS, electronic health reports, genomic sequences, clinical trials, and patient data remain locked in a disseparable systems across institutions. HIPAA compliance barriers. Essential privacy regulations create a profound disincentives for data sharing and collaboration. Complex agreements, de-identification and multiplication of a particle sharing party sharing agreements and or cumbersome are costly and time consuming. Innovation bottleneck results in a high R&D cost, long development cycles, and stiffied medical breakthroughs. The trust and transparency gap in finance. The finance sector faces a significant challenge with a centralized AI system that lack transparency and audibility. creating a trust deficit and regulatory concerns. First of all, data security. Many of the financial institutions require secure data for risk management and fraud detection while maintaining a regulatory compliance. Black box problem is the major problem because of the most AI models have opaque internal logic, making it possible to understand how decisions are reached. Next, the algorithm weights. Non-transparent AI can lead to a discriminatory outcomes and creating a significant legal and reputational damage. Regulatory scrutiny. Many of the financial students must explain AI-driven solutions to customers and oversight bodies KYC, and AML. Next, from this, we can understand what the Hefin can solution for this. Hefin leverages a blockchain technology and advanced cryptography to create a decentralized AI platform that unlocks the potential of sensitive data while maintaining a privacy and regulatory compliances. First, of the layer of this Hefin is Internet Computer Protocol Foundation. Hefin is built on ICP smart contracts canisters that enable complex on-chain computation with unique reverse gas model, where the application pays for a computation, not the end user. Federated learning and SMPC allows a collaborative AI model training across dispersed datasets without sharing a raw data, enabling secure analysis of sensitive healthcare and financial data. Next, the trust minimized infrastructure. It serves an accountability and regulatory compliances with no central authority controlling data or AI outcomes. Next, the technical architecture of the Hefin that is developed on the decentralized AI on ICP. The layers are reverse gas model, stateful smart contracts, horizontal scalability, and transparent audible. Hefin in healthcare, unlocking collaborative innovation. To secure multi-party computation, Hefin enables a collaborative AI model training without a raw data sharing, solving the data silo and HAPA compliance challenges. It accelerates drug discovery. Pharmaceutical companies and research institutions can securely pool clinical, and patient data without privacy risks, dramatically reducing the R&D timeline and costs. Personalized medicine analyze diverse data sets including genomic data, lifestyle information, and clinical records to generate highly accurate, individualized treatment plans and disease progression predictions. Happy. Eliminate legal barriers to data sharing as a sensitive information never leaves its source, enabling seamless multi-institution research without a compliance concerns. Next, how the Hefin enabling trust and compliance. Hefin enables the Hefin enables the trust and compliance by providing on-chain audibility for AI decisions in financial services, enabling transparent, verifiable, and compliant applications while maintaining data privacy. First, on-chain method, immutable data audit trail for every computation decision made by AI models. Multi-party commutation, secure and privacy preserving collaborations between financial institutions. Regulatory and demonstrable compliance with KYC, AML, and other financial regulations. Credit scoring, fraud detection, and KYC and AML conclusions. Now, we can see the difference between Hefin and other AI models. Data privacy and security is native, trust minimized HEPA, compliant via SMPC. Data never leaves its source in Hefin. But in other models, high risk of data breach requires cumbersome identification and complex legal agreements. Collaboration model, secure and trust minimized multi-party computation fosters seamless collaborations. Cost and efficiency, transparency and audibility, scalability. You can see that what are the differences between the Hefin and other traditional models. So, so market opportunity for this multi-trillion dollar industries. Hefin targets two of large regulated industries facing urgent digital transformation needs with significant data privacy and and trust challenges. Healthcare, $8.3 trillion global market with fragmented data silos across providers, pharmas, and research institutions. Drug discovery, $2 billion plus market with a 12-year plus development cycles and $2.6 billion average cost per drug. Finance, $22.5 trillion global market requiring secure, transparent AI systems for regulatory compliance for this. FinTech, financial tech, $305 billion market growing at 20% CAGR with increasing focus on AI driven risk management. Healthcare rest of investment 60%. Finance rest of investment 40%. It gives a healthy life. Hefin's business model. Hefin's business model is strategically designed to maximize market penetration and appeal to diverse user base from individual developers to large institutional clients. Hybrid hybrid revenue approach, developer friendly, enterprise ready, sustainable growth. The Hefin token and utility governance. The Hefin token serves as the economic engine of the Hefin platform with a dual function design that aligns incentive among all ecosystem participants. First of all, utility token. Second, governance tokens. And third, token gated access. And fourth, sustainable feedback loop. Roadmap and future outlook the Hefin journey. Phase 1, near term. Core infrastructure development and ICP, launch healthcare AI for discovery, secure initial enterprise partners, deploy finance for AI for credit scoring. Second, phase 2, midterm, launch open marketplace for AI services, implement Hefi token, economic incentives, enable third-party developer ecosystem, scale network effect through diverse use cases. Long-term vision, become the foundational infrastructure for new generation of private, efficient, transparent AI applications across multiple industries. That's all.